that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means the world to me. I want to know, did you guys recreate this look? Let me know in the comments below, or tag me on Instagram if you post a picture of you with the look. So that is all for today. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and had a great Hanukkah if that is what you celebrate. I'll see you guys in the next video. So the first thing I do is I put my base on, so I'm going to do my moisturizer and foundation right now, and I will be back ready to do my eyes with you. So now that my base layer is done, we are moving on to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm going to show you two different looks, one on my right, one on my left, both using just the James Charles. So starting on the right side using my Eye Enhancer Sephora brush, I'm taking the shade Rusted and applying that to the crease. So once that's in the crease, you're gonna go again into the crease, but this time with the shade You're Kidding, and just to add some more depth to that. And I like to focus it on the outer crease and within the area that I've already put makeup on. Once you're happy with the depth of color within the crease, you want to take a liner brush. I'm using the pointed liner brush by Sephora, and I'm wetting it and then dipping it into the shade Social Blade. So once you have the color on the brush, you're going to be using it as an eyeliner. So now that I'm done with the liner, I'm going onto the lid with the shade So Good, and I'm using it on this thin little brush. And I wet this brush just because it picks up the product a little better and applies it a little smoother. So I'm going to be putting this onto the lid. So now that that's been applied, let's move on to the left side of the eye. And once again, using the Sephora Eye Enhancer brush, we are going to be taking the shade Social Blade this time and repeating the technique we used on the right side, just this time with green instead of red. So taking that into the crease and blending it out. So I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we are now gonna take Daddy and use it to deepen the crease. And I'm gonna be focusing it on the outer end of the crease. So now that the crease is done, I'm going to do something similar to this side with the liner, taking once again just the pointed brush that is made to do liner, and I wet it. And this time though, we're going in the shade You're Kidding, which is the same shade we used on this side. So now for the lid, we're actually going to do the exact same thing we did on this side, taking once again the really tiny brush that is wet and dipping it into So Good just to get a very gold shimmery look. So now that the gold is on, you can kind of see that they mirror each other, just flipped the colors a little bit. So you could wear them together, honestly, if you wanted to, and you could also just choose which eye you like better. But that is what the lid should look like. So this is what the lid should look like, but I want to tell you guys about another variation of this look in case gold is not for you or it's not the shade you like. I'll put some pictures on the screen of what it will look like if you choose to go this route with the colors. But instead of gold on this side, I would use Shook using same techniques, wetting the brush and everything. And then on this side, instead of gold, I would use Guac. Again, same techniques. Nothing would change except the shade you choose to do on your lid. And I'll swatch some shades on my arm just to show you guys what it would look like next to each other. So now moving on to mascara, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, and I apply this a little heavier on the outer edge just because I feel like it makes it look better. when you have it heavier on the outer edge and a little lighter on the inner corner. So like that. So now moving on to cheeks. I am using the Let's Go Shopping, or sorry, not Let's Go Shopping, We're Going Shopping by Kylie Cosmetics. It looks like this. It's a very pink shade. It's perfect for the winter when you have all of the rosy cheeks from going outside. Just applying that really lightly and then over the nose as well. So now that I'm done with the blush, let's move to some highlighter. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. And it's just a very shimmery, like white shimmery shade. So, just on my cheekbones, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, then just under my eyebrows, so you can see just a little bit of shimmer. And yeah, so last we got the lips. I'm going to be using a lip liner first, and this is the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Kylie. So just outlining my lips, I like to go from bottom to the top. And then along the Cupid's bow. And then to fill it in, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics again in the shade Candy K. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means the world to me. I want to know, did you guys recreate this look? Let me know in the comments below, or tag me on Instagram if you post a picture of you with the look. So, that is all for today. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and had a great Hanukkah if that is what you celebrate. I'll see you guys in the next video.